Hi folks, it's your old pal. Well, I'll tell you that later in the video.
Okay, let's get into characterization.
You wonder why we're wearing these things. Well, the amazing Uncle Al gave us projects to do.
He assigned Bunky to making popsicles, and you'll see that later in the video. He assigned Trey into making a hobo stove and bandanas, and he gave me a bug out kit.
Okay, KK project. Survival necklace.
Bug out kits are basically everything you'd need if something were to happen, and just because we're kids doesn't mean we're too young to be thinking about these.
You'll have everything that carry around your neck.
He recommended that we put it in a necklace so that we could take it everywhere, but I thought it would be a good idea to put them in backpacks because then we know where it is and we can just grab it and go. This is gross. We have a list here, and we'll try to put in the description everything that we put in our bug-in kit. We have masks, which we'll just put in our hat.
We have glasses.
I guess I'll have to take my hat out for that.
These are safety glasses, tinted.
A bandana. Wait, I still have to get my hat in there. We can catch up. Parachord, 3 feet or longer. Carabiner. 3. There's 3.
I got one.
Metal spoon.
Oh.
I want to eat out of this.
Yeah.
You could use for eating, for digging. Whole bunch of things you can do with a large
And
amount of
this spoon has a string attached to it. And if you
That is cool.
do that, it's a knife.
whistle.
And it's a whistle too. The plastic part.
Oh, that's clever. Never would have noticed that.
You'd be busy eating it.
Yeah, I don't think it. The plastic spoon.
A metal cup. Because metal cup, what you do if you have a fire, when the buddy winner, you put underneath and you have a nice cup to heat up water or something.
I don't have a cup, I get a dish.
I got a teapot.
These. A whistle.
Where's my whistle?
It's a stick.
They look like this. Except yours is. Oh, you get the red one.
Cool.
Okay. Hillary knife.
Compass and thermometer. And this bracelet has a compass too.
Yeah, that's a thermometer.
I'm going to end up cutting my hand off.
Do I use this?
Got a blade.
Yeah, there. I can see that. And the compass.
Get a name up there. I don't know.
So 2 compasses, right?
Yeah, there's a compass.
And a thermometer.
And then this whistle has a thermometer on it.
Do we have whistles? I don't think we have.
Yeah, I don't know.
And a compass on the other side.
I don't think we have one of those.
Okay. Matches and a lighter. Here's the lighter. I don't know how. And then these are waterproof matches.
And this is the good old-fashioned type. Long before you were born, when dinosaurs ruled the earth, you had matches, the good kind, the explodey type, and it has a rubber gasket at the end.
And then a key.
What you always need is a handcuff key to escape from the evildoers.
A flashlight.
This is a flashlight, little tiny flashlight.
Pill cases.
Put Tinder, cash, coinage, whatever you need right here.
Pill cases.
Now the most important things you should have blanket pins.
Some safety pins.
If you have any kind of warm blanket, you're supposed to have about 4 of them.
electrical tape or duct tape.
I didn't show that I had duct tape, not duct tape, electrical tape.
An emergency poncho. An emergency blanket. And the backpack. And then we also have
Please do.
code.
Boy Scout knife.
A utility knife. This is a multi-tool. I think it doubles as a blade, and then there's string on here.
It's got measurements.
Yes, there's measurements on it. So these are just extra stuff that Uncle Al didn't have on his list, but we still thought they would be really good to have. This pen has a pen on the one end, and then this, if you're in a car and you need to get out, this will break the glass. So. This is a fishing kit. You just find a stick and then use it to try to catch fish. This is a hand saw. And this is the multi-tool. I just forgot to put it away. Zip ties we thought would be really good to have because it's a really quick way to tie things up if you need to do anything with it. And then this, if you strike it together, it makes a fire. So we thought this would be really good to have. And it also comes with a whistle and a compass.
And also a Swiss knife.
It has like knives
And screwdrivers.
and a bunch of other stuff.
And knives and a bunch of other cool stuff. Like the wine opener.
You don't need that.
So this is just basically for if an emergency happens. As much as we don't want to think about it, it still could, and we're already in tough times. So these are really good to think about. So thank you, Uncle Al, for making us think of these.
Thank you.
Uncle Al at DieBullFrog79. And he's really been looking out for us lately. And he's put out videos for us to make things.
I get a popsicle.
I get to eat popsicle.
No, I eat my popsicle when it's frozen.
But I'm gonna eat your popsicle too.
No, because I'm only making one.
He made videos for me on how to make a hobo stove and what you can do with a bandana, which I actually used.
So this is the list. And if you want, we can put it in the description so that you can make your own bug out kit.
And where did I keep it? And this isn't for prepping. I'm a survivalist, and this is for mail call. Have a nice day, folks.